Today, I'm going to be rating EAS songs from around the world because people need to tell the truth. Enjoy. Kyrgyzstan, 8 out of 10. Sounds like an earthquake alarm. Spain, 1 out of 10. It's too quiet. Ireland, 0 out of 10. Sounds like a race car to me. Australia, 1 out of 10. This scares me if you hear this in the night. I would really panic. Italy, 9 out of 10. Sounds like a party. Canada, 8 out of 10. Imagine hearing this at night.
Do you see a Statue of Liberty on that?
Well, I think I did on the previous card.
USA, 10 out of 10. Thank you, USA. Very scary. Japan, 0 out of 10. Not scary at all. Very disappointed. Greece, 5 out of 10. Sounds like the end of the world. Train alarm, 8 out of 10. Imagine hearing this when chugging on the rails. The good job bell, 10 out of 10. I would do so good jobs. China gets 10 out of 10. I don't understand what the voices sing, and yes, it's scary. Ukraine, 10 out of 10. Sounds like a nuke. Russia, 5 out of 10. Sounds like a passenger train. Real Germany alarm, 1 out of 10. Sounds like a tornado siren. Fake German EAS alarm, 10 out of 10. Sounds like that style. Egypt, 8 out of 10. Sounds like a loud boy. Oh my gosh, it's really loud. Hong Kong, 10 out of 10. Sounds like an iPhone alarm. Smokey Joe alarm, 10 out of 10. Sounds like a steam train chugging so fast. Just look at that steam coming out from the stack. Oh my word, it's heading towards the ramp. It's gonna jump any second now. I'm so nervous about this feeling. Here we go. Whee! Whoa! Now it's rock and roll. Clickety quack alarm, 7 out of 10. Sounds like a clickety quack on the train. What's that blocking my way? Hooray! We can move now! OMG, there's an explosion. Should I go through this? Uh-oh. Oh no! Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe, and you will get more videos once I post them. So, like and subscribe right now. Thank you guys. Bye.